Hi, this is Patty D. Priest, and welcome to Educate Academy, brought to you by the Kentucky Academy of Technology Education. Today we're going to learn how to manage multiple accounts. I am logged into my Chrome account. In order to log into other accounts, you want to make sure you don't come down to this little icon here, click, and add an account. That's a no-no. I'm not sure exactly why that is there. There's probably a reason for it. But you want to make sure that you don't sign into multiple accounts there. You want to come up here to Chrome and you want to manage people. When you do it this way, it keeps Google from getting confused, because sometimes before I knew what I was doing, I would log in the other way, the no-no way, and I would add another account, and then people would share something with me, and instead of going into my Google Drive for that account that they shared it with, it would go into my other account, and it was really a mess. I'm going to go here. I am going to go to Add People. Notice I've got all these little cute little icons, and I'm going to type in the name of the account that I want. So I'm going to name it Kate, and I'm going to click Add. And you'll notice the first thing it's going to do is come up and ask me to turn on sync, just like it did when I logged into my account earlier. So I click on Turn on Sync and it asks me to log in. So I'm going to type in the account. I'm going to click Next, and it's going to ask me for my password. And we don't have two-factor authentication turned on here. We could do that, but we never have. And I'm going to go ahead and link data. So you'll notice up in the upper right-hand corner, there's this exclamation mark. It's telling me that something needs to be updated or needs to be changed. It says there was a new extension added, and so I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and for right now I'm going to say remove it from Chrome. The best thing probably to do with that would be to open the web store, see what it is if you're not sure what it is, and then make the decision whether you want to add it or not. Now the Kate account also has extensions that you'll see are loading, and I can go ahead and close those. Some of those will actually ask for you to log in. Like if it's a Bitmoji account or my LastPass, which would be on my account, I would actually have to log those in. So now I am in, you can see I have two accounts. Both are in a separate window. And if I was to close one, say I come over here and I close this window and I need to get back to it, all I do is come up here to my Chrome icon, click, and there is my other account. And it's going to open a separate window. If I want to add another account, I can come here, I can go to Manage People, I can add a person, I can type in the name of the account. So let's say I'm typing in my personal account. I would add my name, click Add. It's going to open a third window, and you would manage it the same way. You would come up here and you would switch between your different accounts. Okay? I'm going to close this. We're not going to take the time to go through logging that one in. One thing you might want to do, you'll notice on both of these that we have little customized images. If you don't put an image in there, you're going to see your first initial. And so for me, it would be a P in a circle. But if you don't want that, you can change it. And so the way you do it is you're going to come over here and you're going to go to Settings. You'll notice it says Chrome Name and Picture. I can click here. Notice that there has a little arrow here. I can click there and it takes me to the same place. My picture is here, but I can't change it from here. No matter what I do, I can change it to one of these and it will update it, but I can't update or add my own image. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Manage Your Google Account, and it's going to open up a new window. Notice up here I have a little icon, and when I hover on it, I have a camera. And so when I click on the camera, I can now select a photo from my computer. I can drag it in there, or I can actually go, to Windows Explorer or to the Finder, and I can add that picture. Once you've added it, you're going to set it as your profile picture. Sometimes it takes a few minutes, maybe even an hour, for the picture to update, and so don't worry about it. It will eventually catch up with you. That's all there is to it. So I'm going to cancel this. And what if let's say I've gone to your school and I have done a training. I've logged into my Chrome account so that everything is where I need it, and I'm ready to go. But I haven't used my computer, I've used yours. I've used the one that you have connected to your projector. So what I need to do is I need to remove my Chrome account. To do this, again, I click on my Chrome picture and I go to Manage People. When I get here, you'll notice I have my 3 accounts. To get rid of those accounts, I come up to my 3 dots, click, and I say Remove this person. When I come here and say Remove Person, it's going to get rid of that account. When I come up here again, it is not available for me to change to. I would have to go through the process of managing people and adding that account back in. You can also browse as a guest. That opens a totally new window. This is a great way if you're on, let's say, your teacher computer. Your student comes up and he needs to quickly get to Google Drive to print something out. For whatever reason, you can open as guest. They can log into their Google Drive. They can print out. They can do whatever they need to do and log out. They haven't logged into Chrome, so there's no reason to remove them. All they have to do is close that. Well, they should log out of Google. That's down here. And so they would click here and sign out. Have them do that, but they don't need to log out of Chrome because they never logged in. It's very important if you use somebody else's computer that you remove that account from Google Chrome. You don't want to leave anything behind. No, they can't log in, but sometimes it leaves that stuff on your computer. So, all right, thanks for watching and have a great day.